The history of Russian drinks originates in deep antiquity. If we look into the history of Russian cuisine, we will see that traditionally Russian drinks have always been considered kvass, hot winter drink sbiten, fruit drink moss, various vegetable brines, honey-based alcoholic beverage medovukha, as well as cherry or lingonberry water. Some have a warming effect, saying spicy teas, honey, sbitens, and therefore were consumed mainly in the winter. Others, saying kvass fruit drinks, have a good tonic effect in the hot day. Let's look at some of these recipes. Kvass is a drink that was so loved by our great-great-grandfathers and great-great-grandmothers that they even composed many proverbs about it. Drink kvass and forget about your plight. Kvass isn't a strong thing, you can drink even half a bucket. What is kvass in our understanding? In ancient Russia, they couldn't imagine a day without a mug of kvass. They drank it in its pure form and also prepared a groshka and other dishes based on it. It was also used to make more stronger drink for more fun. A barrel of kvass always stood even in the poorest house. You can find this soft drink in street trade and supermarkets in any Russian city, but the best one is the kvass, which is made in accordance with home recipes. When Russian hear the word kvass, he involuntarily swallows a lump of saliva in his throat, since this particular drink is the most desired in the summer heat. Cranberry juice is a tasty and healthy drink. Humans have known about the power of cranberry for a very long time. It contains many vitamins and especially vitamin C. It is worth to be used for cold prevention and treatment. One has to bear in mind, however, that heat treatment destroys the vitamins contained in the berry. Mops can truly be called one of the most ancient drinks in Russia. One can find references to it even in Domostroy, Russian set of household rules, instructions and advice. Also, it is most likely that this drink was brewed even earlier, because wild berries have always occupied a significant place in Russian cuisine. For the preparation of fruit juice, they use forest berries, lingonberries, cranberries, gelderos, raspberries, and blueberries. But other options are possible, for example using garden berries and even vegetables. Mead or medovukha is a low-alcohol drink with a pleasant aroma and mild taste, which is prepared from water, honey, various flowers, seasonings, roots, berries, herbs, with the addition of fruit mash, hops, yeast. The latter components allow you to prepare the drink faster by accelerating fermentation processes. This drink is relatively young. Also, without a doubt, it is very closely connected with the history of ancient Russian honey drinks and owes to them by its birth. As in classical ancient recipes, the main component of mead is a honey. Honey drinks differ from each other. They are prepared and consumed in different ways, and each of them deserves special attention. But all honey-based drinks are extremely healthy, tasty, help to combat with diseases and fatigue, tone up and strengthen immunity. All Russian drinks have always been original and useful because they were prepared from the bounty of our land. These drinks were refreshing, tonic, and couldn't be better in a hot day or to quench thirst in a Russian bath.
Зажмурившись от счастья, пью холодное пивко.
www.fooddrinkmagazine.com and the YouTube channel are working day and night to provide you with all about your food and drink curiosities from around the world. We would like your help to further expand our food and beverage portfolio. Wherever you are in the world, send your food and beverage experiences to admin@fooddrinkmagazine.com in a video or article format. Let the introduce your country, region, or business, your food and drink traditions to all over the world. Thank you in advance for your contribution. Please visit our website at www.fooddrinkmagazine.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy our videos.